Hello, Karina. Can you count? One. Karina, can you move to that side, please? You're blocking the way. Can you do the hula? Can you do the hula? Here you go. Here you go. What's that? Which one is more difficult to? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Come on, do the hula. Uh-oh. I think that's too big for you. Ooh, come on. Ooh.
You know what? Here is so good.
Really?
Can in the leg and here and the feet too.
Wow. You should have asked her to teach you.
Yes.
But you never learned. Shake that body. Shake that booty. 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 Yeah. Shake that booty. Wow, that was great, Karina. Okay. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Yeah, I know.